Once you have logged in, go to Bill Pay, then Add Pay. So there's a list of merchants. Search for Student Loan Bureau. Then select Next. Then you will enter your tax registration number, enter your name, and for nickname, you can just nickname it SLB. Open the RSA app, copy the token, paste token, submit. Once the pay has been added, you can refresh by logging out and logging in. Go to Bill Pay. Select your savings account or whichever account you're paying from. Then select Pay. And there you have SLB. Enter the amount. Then make payment. Submit. It's always good to screenshot the receipt to keep for reference. Once the payment has been made, if it's your first payment, which it will be, it's good to contact the SLB to confirm that the payment has been made. That's how you make payments to the Student Loan Bureau using the NCB mobile app.